Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use these scraps from my Chindi rug that I completely unraveled. I did do a tutorial a while back on how to create a tassel, but this time around I'm going to show you how I made a bead out of this beautiful fabric. So all you're going to use is a straw, a glue stick, and some glue. So let's get started. The first step is to add glue with that glue stick onto that straw. I would say about ½ inch, and then you're going to wrap around the fabric just one time. Once you wrap around that fabric, you're going to add some school glue or some fabric glue, and then you're going to scrunch up that fabric as you keep adding the glue. You have to add the glue because that's what's going to stiffen up the fabric, and you do need to scrunch it up a bit so you can give it the shape of the bead. As you continue to glue, you will twist that fabric also around. So just twist it, add glue, twist it, add glue, and continue the process until you have the shape of a bead. Now this process is very easy. It is just like making a tassel. You're going to need a bead wire, a bead cap, and a jump ring, a pair of pliers, and just start to assemble your beads the way you want them, and then you're going to add your tassels. And I did add a little bit of glue in the bead wire just because I don't want it to fall apart, even though I did tighten it up, but I did add glue. And the finished tassel looks beautiful. I hope I inspire you to create your own beads out of fabric. Please give this video a like and comment below. It's viewers like you that keep this channel going, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Until next DIY, and God bless.